When it comes to managing construction drawings, two of the most talked about software solutions are Fieldwire and PlanGrid. But which one is truly the best for your team? Today, we'll break down the features, ease of use, pricing, and overall functionality of each to help you decide which software is right for your construction drawing management needs. First, let's start with Fieldwire. This platform is known for its strong project management features. It allows for easy task management and communication across teams, which makes it ideal for managing drawings and keeping everything organized. You can upload, view, and mark up your construction drawings directly in Fieldwire, but the real strength is its task management system that integrates with those drawings. Next, let's talk about PlanGrid. Like Fieldwire, it also offers drawing management, and it's known for its powerful blueprint viewing and markup tools. PlanGrid allows you to store an unlimited number of drawings and is excellent for detailed, real-time updates on those drawings. The big selling point for PlanGrid is its smooth mobile experience, making it very easy to access the drawings in the field with little to no lag, which is crucial in fast-paced construction environments. Now, when we compare these two, one of the main differences comes down to usability and interface. Fieldwire is a bit more complicated for beginners. It has a learning curve, especially when it comes to task management and organizing drawings across teams. On the other hand, PlanGrid has a cleaner, more intuitive interface that's a lot easier to navigate right from the start. If ease of use is a priority, PlanGrid is going to win out for those just starting out in construction management software. Next, let's talk about integration. Fieldwire allows for integration with other platforms like Dropbox, Google Drive, and Box, making it easier to connect to other software you might already be using. But PlanGrid doesn't have as many integrations, especially with project management tools outside of its own system. That could be a deal breaker for teams who rely heavily on those other platforms for day-to-day operations. The fourth thing to consider is the pricing. Fieldwire is typically more affordable, especially for smaller teams. You can get started with a basic plan that covers all your basic drawing management needs. PlanGrid, however, is on the pricier side and is often seen as better suited for larger enterprises. This price difference could play a huge role in your decision, depending on your budget and the size of your team. Next, we need to talk about collaboration. Both Fieldwire and PlanGrid allow for team collaboration on drawings, but where Fieldwire shines is its task and issue tracking. You can assign tasks directly on the drawings, which makes it incredibly easy to keep track of what's happening in real time. With PlanGrid, while you can add comments and mark up drawings, it lacks the level of task management that Fieldwire offers. So, if team coordination is key for your workflow, Fieldwire may be the better option. And finally, both software options have their limitations. With Fieldwire, the lack of robust drawing management features compared to PlanGrid might be a drawback for those looking for more advanced tools. While PlanGrid offers more powerful drawing capabilities, it's not as customizable in terms of project management features and task tracking. So, which one is better for construction drawing management? Both Fieldwire and PlanGrid are solid options, and they each bring their strengths to the table. But after trying them myself and considering what works best for the goal of managing construction drawings effectively, I'd recommend looking into a better alternative. If you want a better solution that's designed for managing construction drawings while offering a seamless experience and extra features, you should definitely check out the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else. Give it a try today and see for yourself how much more efficient your team can be with the right tools.